All right, so we got an issue here of blows that way, doesn't blow that way, so that doesn't make any sense. And found there's something in this hose, so we're going to cut it and see what it is. Someone somewhere along the way has put that in there. The symptom on this car was brakes that were like pushing a brick. It wouldn't stop for anything. You had 2 feet on the brakes and maybe it would stop. It wasn't the car's fault, wasn't the master cylinder's fault, wasn't the brake booster's fault, wasn't even the engine's fault. It's that right there.